weg von unserem Camping-Trip auf der Kangaroo River. Wir haben einen Wombat gesehen. Und eben sind wir geschwommen. Jetzt fahren wir wieder zurück. Und wir haben um 2:30 abgeholt. Das schafft hier voll Möhre und die Gruppe war auch wirklich nett, mit der wir unterwegs waren. Das ist ein Trip, den man, wenn man irgendwann mal in Sydney ist, unbedingt machen will. Bye bye everybody. Eure Wombat-Liebe.
You know, I wish I brought my thing. I want to video shot, but I can't.
Yeah, I was counting it on dropping. It didn't drop. Oh! Yeah, it's lots of stuff. The floor is not really made for it. No, but that's custom size everything. That's a yellow one here. Yeah. Oh. What? You got it? Long, dry.
Shells and he's got, because it's been supplemented, but he's got maybe carvings for him where, because he trained a lot of, like a lot of the locals, he trained them and got them jobs. They've done on the left, they did this carving for him, it's their god. They've carved the god, and in his hands he's holding the father's head.
Oh?
And it's like an ordinary thing.
Yeah. Oh,
it's something normally they do for the chief or something of the whole region.
Oh, they've regarded your dad very highly to do that. Yeah.
They do it all with. They inlay it all with mother of pearl.
That's the best one I think we got from Warrior.